Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Dave with Spruce Industries here for another special Beyond the Product segment on beyond.spruceindustries.com. And the COVID-19 vaccine is finally here. We did it. Round of applause. But what's next? We have to get everybody vaccinated, right? Many municipalities across the country are going to be setting up satellite vaccination clinics. So I wanted to put together a list from a facilities maintenance standpoint of everything that you're going to need to make sure that you can operate safely and efficiently. Let's first start off with those who are going to be administering the vaccine. You're going to need gloves, masks, face shields, and disposable gowns. Don't forget to have extra masks available for people who show up and they're not wearing a mask. Have them available. And now for people who are going to be receiving the vaccine, make sure you have individually wrapped alcohol prep wipes, gauze pads, and medical tape. And when talking about the facility itself, if it's a gym or a tent outside, be sure to have plenty of hand sanitizer on site, as well as waste baskets and liners, disinfectant wipes, and you can double down with a disinfectant spray and a quat-safe dry wipe. Everything that's on that list, Spruce can help you with. Feel free to reach out at any time. We are happy to help. Thank you for watching the video. Get vaccinated and be safe. Thank you.